Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm going to show you some things here. And I always know who this package is from when I get it, just the way it's packaged. I took out all the packaging, but there's styrofoam and it's wrapped in bubble wrap and it's taped up. And anyhow, I can always tell who it's from. It's from Coodeals. So we're going to look at these. I got a few things here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got this guy. I always take them out of the bag and write the name on it. Otherwise, I'll forget what I'm doing. So let's just start with this since it's in my hand. He said he was going to send me along a cute little pen. So they took a little flower and attached it to the top of a pen. And you just got a cute little, boop, boop, little, fun little diamond painting pen. Why not? Cute, right? You can buy those on their site. Yeah, I'll link it. Okay. All right, let's see what we have. Now, correct me if I'm wrong on this. All right. This painting, I think, is different than what I have, but I'm not certain. Let's look at it. So everything that you get from Coodeals is wrapped in these type of plastic bags. There will be a little bit of styrofoam, like I said, because they styrofoam everything up for you to protect it. It always comes with a little, your name is on there, a picture, description. I believe this is a sticker if you wanted it to be. Yeah, that's a sticker. All right. Now, they are printing everything at their shop. Your name comes on your canvas. Look, there it is, Mindy, number 2, the second one, 30 by 40. Now this is very similar to one I did, but it's different, okay? I did this little gnome, but this one's different. Oh yeah, it's definitely different. This is a girl. Look, it's a girl. It still says peace. The other one said peace at the top too, but look, she's different. She's got butterflies, she's got a bee, she's a girl, the other one was a boy. I just thought it would be a perfect match to the other one. I have to find the other one and see how they compare. This is a heart here, the mushrooms. Yeah, I like it. It's complementary to the other one. I love it. I love it. Okay, hang on, let's zoom in. Let's go in. There we go. It has 25 colors. Everything's printed super nice and super clear. I like that about it. Can you see it? Can you see it? No, it's going to be blurry for you. Because every time I want to hold something up close, I always have to do this. There we go. There we be. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the canvas is glittery even. Can you see that? I like it. Okay. I like it a lot. All right. It doesn't want to lay flat. I should have unrolled these, but I didn't. All right. So this is your toolkit. It's a little nicer toolkit than a typical toolkit. You get a white boat, you get some tweezers, you get some baggies in there. It's not just the little green boat, pink pen and a little slab of wax. These are a little nicer, a little upgrade. I like it. All right, now here is the one thing that is a slight drawback for some, but it is not a huge thing. It is not a huge deal breaker. It is that the drills come packaged in the strips of little tiny bags, right? It's not, it's takes a little more time to kit them up, but there's nothing wrong with the drills, okay? And here's what I do appreciate that they do is this inventory sheet. Let me get it out. Sure, she says. All right, so each of their paintings comes with an inventory sheet and they have inventoried, you can see they've checked off things, how many bags of each color. So here's the DMC for the color. This is how many drills you'll need, how many bags you get, and it's all inventoried for you, all 25 colors. So you can cut these out. You can put them through a Xyron sticker maker, make labels, which is really nice. I like that. So I'm not going to take drills out, but I mean, you can see the pretty colors. Blues, pinks, yellows, some greens, all the colors that you see there. I like it. All right, so that is the first one I got. I'm really interested now how much it does look like the other one, how close they are, how comparable they would be. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's do a bigger one. This one is big. Ooh, this one's big. This one is a 40 by 70. Ooh, I have two 40 by 70s. All right, I don't need that right now. Okay, so there we go with the Mindy. This is Mindy number 3. All right, now I'm going to have to zoom you way out so you can see this. Okay, look at how pretty it is. Look at the flowers and the butterflies, hibiscus flower. That's a plumeria, I believe. That's definitely hibiscus. Butterflies. Look at focal point in the center is a hummingbird. I love that. Love you, Mom. Anyhow, we have a jaguar over here. I believe it's a jaguar. More butterflies, more leaves, and it's just a beautiful scene. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to roll it backwards. It's poured glue, so we can do that, and hopefully it will lay down nicely for us. Let's see. Sorry for the crinkling, crunching sound. I want you to be able to see this. I want it to lay down. All right. Lay down nicely, lay down. Oh, there, it's gonna lay down. Perfect. It's a big guy, see? It's a big guy. Look, you can't even see the top of it. Doo-doo-doo, there's the top. All right, there's the top. Nice, there's the big hummingbird. And then he's sitting up here on a ledge somewhere overlooking some water, it looks like, with more flowers and butterflies at the bottom. That's very pretty, isn't it? It has 40 colors. We have a legend over here. Just one legend on this side. There isn't one over here. But here, again, here's our drills. Here's our inventory sheet. Very nice. I like this one. This is super pretty. Everything's been checked off for us. I used to, when I'd get paintings like this, I would go through all the drills. I'd check them all off. I'd make sure I had the number of bags I was supposed to have. And most of the time they were right. Every once in a while they weren't. I don't do that anymore. I don't know. So lots of blues and greens with some oranges and reds. Pretty colors, right? Like I said, I don't want to open all these and take them all out. But you can kind of get a sense of what the colors are here. Right? I'll show it to you from all sides. Lots of red and orange colors. Some pretty yellows in here. I like it. I like this one a lot. It's really pretty. I do like it. I like it a lot. Okay, let's do the other big one first. Why not? We're zoomed out for a large painting, so let's go for it. This one is the same size. Another 40 by 70. I haven't gotten large paintings like this in a while. I'm just going to start by rolling this one backwards. We'll just roll it backwards right from the get-go. All right. Sure we will. Famous last words. Famous last words. Okay. Totally different color palette, right? The other one we just did was dark, deep, rich colors, and this one's going to have a lot more pastel colors to it. Same toolkit. All right. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to like it. Okay, let me just show you on here, because that's going to be blurry over there. All right, here we go. Boom. There it is. I love it. I love this one. The bright colors in this are so pretty. We have this wood background. It goes from the blue to the pink to the green to a yellow panel. And then it's just flowers and butterflies. I like this a lot. Now, I have one similar to this in a very small, like 30 by 40 painting, similar to this one. But this one, I love it. It's pretty. It, again, has 40 colors, just like the other one did. I like it. What do you think? Trying to get it to not be glary for you so you can see it really good. As I say that, then I make it glare worse, right? Pretty, 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 pretty. I like it. What do you think? What do you think? All right, here's our inventory sheet. I already showed you that. But look at the colors on this one. Okay, let's open this up a little. Like I said, I'm not going to take them all out, but I'll show you a selection. The pinks and the blues are gorgeous. I mean, look at the pinks in there. Lots of pinks. There's our pretty blue. Teal color for the one panel. I like it. Some yellows, some dark. Oh, I like this color. I like this color. I'll show you this one. I like this one right here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Some teals, yellows, golden colors, oranges. What do you think? That's a beautiful color palette, isn't it? I like it. All right. So that is this one. Love it. Now, because this is a new company, and it is really a new company, they have their own factory. They're producing everything right there. They don't have the ability to have a machine that does their drills for them, you know, in the strips and stuff. So they've had to buy drills this way and package them like this for their kits, you know. Maybe if they grow and get larger, they'll be able to switch over to the other type of drills. Anyhow, so there we go. Okay, now I've got all these things over there. Too much. And it's in my way. Come on, move over. Making a big mess. Okay, I got one more. Oh, no, I got another little package there, which I've just promptly buried. I would have forgotten about it. Okay, hang on. Let me pull it out so I don't forget about it. I buried it under here. Okay, there. Now I won't forget. Let's do this one. The other one is a special little thing. They do have some special items. Like if you're interested in some, you know, things like keychains and pendants and things like that. They do have those. So you can get some of those. This one, oh my gosh, so much black. Oh. But you know what? You know what happens when you have black? Everything pops off a black background, right? Yeah. So this is what it is. This is what it says. Oh, I like the size. Just a girl who loves sunflowers. That would be me. I love my sunflowers. So this is all this black background. And then the lettering looks great. Just a girl who loves sunflowers, white and yellow. And then a selection of sunflowers and some butterflies. I like it. That's going to be really pretty, right? Because like I said, that black background, all that's just going to pop right off it. Just a girl who loves sunflowers. I'm just a girl. Anyhow, black, yellow, blue, and green. That's what you get. That is what we have. I like that one. That one would be quick and easy and fun to do. All right, and then I have a special item. Let's see if I can get it open. All right. Oh, just tear the envelope, Mindy. Go ahead. Thought maybe I'd put it back in here. Leave it sealed up in this envelope, but not when I'm tearing it apart. No. Anyhow. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? I think the drills are in here still. I have something on me. Okay, that's what we got. So this one has your toolkit, the basic toolkit, but it has a chain because this is going to hang. All right, you ready? This is so cute. It's one-sided. It just says, "Be blessed." Look at that big bee. Big bee. And then look at the honeycomb around it and the flowers. He's out getting some nectar to take back to his hive. This is thick. I like this. This is thick like keychains are. I love it. And then the plastic peels off, of course. And your chain will hang up here. I'll fasten there. I can't speak properly. Excuse me. Hey, look, I even have a jump ring. Yay, I've got a little jump ring. And this one is all special drills. I like it. Like I said, I'm going to zoom you in. You're like 60 miles away. Wrong way. In. There. Better? Better. Yeah. We were doing big things, and now we're doing small things. Got to coordinate. Do the largest together and the smallest together. So pretty colors. Orange, yellow. This is black. That's a resin. Or just black. You know what I mean. Clear. Light yellow. A couple. That's red. That's a pink. A green. That's a very light purple color, I believe. And then our specials are these gold marquee. I like it. And that will be around these flower petals. I like it. I like it. What do you think? So that's what I got from Coodeals. Thank you so much, Coodeals, for sending these. One of my favorite people over there at Coodeals. I've been working with him for a long time. And yeah, I support him and his new endeavor here with his new shop that he's, started. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And we'll link all of these items below if there's something you're interested in, so you can go find it yourself. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for hanging out for a while, and I hope you come back, all right? Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody.